I'm going to show you exactly how to create and sell your own cookbook using Canva and Amazon KDP with a simple step-by-step method that helps you design fast, customize easily, and start earning even if you're a complete beginner. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. What you want to do first is to head over to your Canva account and on the search bar type in Cookbook. Canva will show you a variety of ready-made templates. Once you find a design you like, click on it and then select the button that says Customize this template so you can fully adjust it to your needs. After the design opens, start customizing it by changing the photos. To do this, right-click on the image and choose Detach Image. Then go to Uploads and drag your own photo directly onto the frame. Next, customize the contents by double-clicking the text boxes and typing in your own recipes, ingredients, and instructions. Repeat this process until you've completed your entire cookbook and everything looks clean and consistent. Once you're done, click on Share, then Download, and choose PDF Standard. This is the best format to use when uploading to Amazon KDP. After that, head over to your Amazon KDP account and upload your cookbook. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one completely free. Amazon allows you to publish and sell your ebook without spending anything. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to create a cookbook in Canva, customize it with your own photos and recipes, save it in the correct format, and upload it to Amazon KDP so you can start selling today. If you want me to create a full series sharing more KDP tips, Canva design tricks, and simple ways to boost your sales, hit like and comment cookbook tips, and I'll share all the best strategies with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.